In this video, we'll deploy Nextcloud on Cuemby Cloud. Nextcloud is a platform that allows you to centralize files, collaborate, and access information from your own environment. This is very useful for teams that need to share documents, synchronize content, and work in a more organized way. During the video, we'll configure the instance and set the necessary parameters, such as passwords, to run the service. We load the corresponding image and launch the deployment from the platform, while Cuemby Cloud performs the provisioning. It's also important to consider how the service network will function, whether it will handle internal access or if it will also require a public IP address so users can access it remotely with controlled access. Another key point is backups, because in a solution like Nextcloud, we're not just talking about an application, but also files, configurations, and important information that must be kept protected. Finally, we verify that Nextcloud is operational and ready to start storing, synchronizing, and sharing information more easily. With this, the client not only sees how to deploy the solution, but also how to start using a platform prepared for collaboration, secure access, and more reliable operation within Cuemby Cloud, our process automation solution.